Yeah, this is the tunnel, the M4 tunnel. Yeah, literally, it's perfect. The only thing I hate about it is this frigging speed limit. I mean, yeah, f you for noticing. But really, would you yourself go 80 here? Like, seriously, there's fucking nothing in front of me. The only thing that's stopping me is like the thought that maybe they switched on those cameras today, or maybe they'll turn it on tomorrow. I don't fucking know. But that's the only thing that's stopping me from going at like freaking 150 down here, because there's nothing in front of me. You know what? Happy? I did it. I did it. I fucking did it. Are you happy? That was fun. But yeah, now if I lose my license, was not worth it. Oh, I'm so if I lose my license, I need to go catch the trains, and I hate the trains in Sydney. They are the absolute worst. So brighter. Okay, this is another complaint about this freaking tunnel, right? So before the tunnel was made, this area here was the bottleneck effectively, and well, effectively from here all the way up till the city and beyond, well, up until the harbour bridge, sorry, that was the whole bottleneck. All this tunnel has done has now made the bottleneck so much more apparent. It's quite funny. I mean, it's a bit awkward that I'm saying all this shit and there's no traffic right now, but I guarantee ya, maybe because I woke up so fucking late today, there's usually traffic all the way back into the tunnel. Well, there's traffic lights where else at. And that'll be a normal day. But looks like so far so good. I say that now, and just around that bend there's going to be a shit ton of traffic. Ooh. Looks like I lined up behind the right person. Maybe. Maybe. I hope I did. Come on. Come on. Show me what you got. Yes, I did. Oh, hello. Who's that? That's fine. Such a nice road here. Told you. But I mean, in all honesty, that's hardly any traffic compared to any other normal day. Oh wow, that is nothing. This is a genuine surprise to me. Wow. Oh, you know what it is? It's Melbourne Cup Day today. That's why. Everyone's like, oh, I gotta get pissed drunk, so can't drive to work. And best time to ride.